Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jira software, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Jira software, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Jira instance. Press enter to navigate to the site. Wait for the page to load completely. Once the login page appears, locate the email or username field. Click on the field and enter your registered email address or username. Next, move to the password field. Click on the password field and input your password. Ensure that you enter your password correctly, paying attention to the case sensitivity. After entering both your email or username and password, look for the login button. Click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Jira dashboard. In case of an error, recheck your email or username and password. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you are logged in, you can access your projects and tasks. Explore the navigation menu to familiarize yourself with different features. Now you are ready to use Jira software effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.